In today's video, I am going to teach you how to repost using Hootsuite. Reposting is a great way to share content from accounts you trust while keeping your audience up to date. With Hootsuite, you can do this in a controlled, organized way so you can review everything before it goes out. First, sign in to Hootsuite. Open your browser and go to Hootsuite, then enter your login information. After you sign in, you should land on your main dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace, since reposting will depend on what accounts are connected to your profile. Next, click the plus button to create a post. In Hootsuite, this usually appears as a clear Create Post or plus Create a Post option. When you select it, you will be taken to the posting area. This is the place where you will build your repost, including the content, your caption, and any scheduling options. Now select the social account you want to repost from. Look for a drop-down or selection list that shows the connected platforms, such as different social networks or profiles. Choose the account that will receive the repost or that will publish your reposted content. This step matters because the formatting and publishing options can vary by platform, and you want the post to behave correctly where your audience sees it. After you choose the account, you will copy the post content or add the post link and media. Depending on what you are reposting, you can either paste the original text into the post composer or include the link to the original post. If there is media involved, such as an image or video, you will want to include it in the repost as well. Keep an eye on the preview area, because it will help you confirm that the content and attachments are coming through the way you expect. At this point, you are ready to add your caption and tag the original account if needed. Your caption is where you can add context, share your perspective, or explain why the repost matters. If the platform or the original post requires you to tag the source account, make sure you include that tag in your caption. This helps maintain clarity and ensures the original creator receives proper credit. Once everything looks right in the composer, you will decide whether to post immediately or schedule for later. If you want the repost to go out right away, click Post Now. If you prefer to control timing, choose the scheduling option and set the date and time you want the post to publish. Scheduling can be especially useful when you want to align with your audience's activity or when you are managing multiple posts across different platforms. Before you finish, it is a good idea to review the final preview one last time. Check that the text is correct, the media appears as it should, and the tagging is present. Also confirm that you selected the correct social account for publishing. When you are satisfied, finalize the action by confirming the post or the schedule. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.